EA Sports. It's in the game.
I think that the Masters is the one event that the American golf public really relates to in terms of all that tradition and history. They've watched the tournament every year. It's the one major that's played on the exact same course every year. So people have a tremendous familiarity with it. The true golf fan knows all the Augusta lore. And there's not really any other course that you can say has that annual renewal of going back and revisiting the memories and forming new ones. This is the chance for people to finally say, wow, I get to go to Augusta. I mean, everyone has this dream of one day going to Augusta, either to play it or to attend the Masters tournament. This game allows them to really be walking right down the middle of the fairway. It's going to be so real to people. The biggest thing that you really feel about Augusta the first time you walk on the grounds, and I checked it out going through the game to see if it was captured, and it was, is how hilly the course is. The game captures the real undulation, elevation. It's amazing to look around and see the trees, the placement, the shape of the bunkering, the sculpting of the greens on the game. I mean, after looking at all the graphics and, experience it for myself, I was amazed at how much it felt like I was on the grounds of Augusta. And it's the closest thing, obviously, you can ever experience in place of being there. I'm Jim Nantz, and I'm in the game.